Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, let's discuss the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Before we dive into any maintenance, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. First, remove the screws on the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. As you take off the back panel, gently lift it to avoid damaging any clips that may be holding it in place. Once the back panel is off, you will see the internal components. This is a great time to perform some cleaning. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the cooling fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal airflow and prevent overheating. Now, let's talk about the warranty. If you're experiencing issues with your Alienware P111F, it's crucial to determine if your device is still under warranty. Check the Dell website and enter your service tag to find warranty details. If you're unsure or need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. Next, check the condition of your RAM and hard drive. If you need to replace or upgrade these components, simply unscrew them and swap them out with compatible parts. Be cautious when handling internal components, static can damage them. Using an anti-static wrist strap is advisable. If you don't have the tools or experience for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, which means you don't need to make any calls or travel. Just schedule a pickup, and we'll take care of the rest. After cleaning and checking your components, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Align the back panel and gently press it down, ensuring all clips are secure. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them carefully to avoid stripping. Before you power on your device, it's wise to double-check that everything is back in its place and that no tools are left inside. Once you've done that, plug your laptop back in and turn it on. If you followed these steps and are still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you have all the information you need before any work is done. This way, you can make an informed decision about what repairs are necessary. In conclusion, maintaining your Dell Alienware P111F is essential for longevity and performance. Regular cleaning and checks can prevent more significant issues down the line. Always keep an eye on your warranty status, and remember that professional help is just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.